Hello, this is Jitnisha Sanke from DroneTV.in. Sir, would you please like to introduce yourself?
My name is Arif. I am from Faridabad. Recently, I am joining from drone exhibition from here.
Okay. So, how did you come to know about this exhibition?
My relatives says me go for. Actually, there is my cousin marriage. After that, some free time I will utilize for the exhibition to
Okay.
randomly.
Okay, that is really great that you're utilizing your time and gaining and exploring all the new technologies. So, which exhibition or which services, which product caught your attention more?
Lots of, I think so. It's the fire exhibition also is there, side by side drone exhibition. So likely drone exhibition, three things are the most important. Like is a farmer help lots of, and it's a medical kit provide from drone. Is the new concept for me, and other than it's firefighting. It's also increase in future. Is a drone something like big drone for the eviction of water supplying is also.
Okay.
That's it.
So, what impact will be there in day-to-day life through these innovative technologies?
Lots of I think so. Innovation is always my life in our lives. Go to other place. So the technology is most important for that kind of innovation.
Okay.
So I think
Yeah.
it's so great for our country also because is most of producer and most of drones are made in India. So we are proud for
Yeah,
that.
so that's really a proud thing for our India, obviously. And lastly, I would like to ask, would you you explored overall this exhibition? So would you like to join and attend more such exhibitions in future?
Yeah, surely. Basically, last year is also I have done for Solar Expo Center in Delhi, Dwarka.
Okay.
So basically, I'm from Delhi, so it's the first experience from
Mumbai.
Mumbai. So it's great.
Yeah. So did you like Mumbai and the exhibition? Yeah. Thank you. It was great talking to you. So thank you so much for your time. Enjoy your day. Yeah.
Thank you for watching Drone TV, your gateway to the latest in drone technology, GIS innovations, and AI driven solutions. To partner with us or to promote your company on Drone TV, visit www.dronetv.in or contact us at +91 75 2012 3555.